this is Kishore. I'm a designer, developer, and production trainer, which related to animation, VFX, game design. I've been working since 2007 with many institutions and many colleges. So this is completely website designing services. What kind of services that I'm giving to my clients and my customers? What kind of technology that I'm using to design the best website design, whether app, whether motion graphics, whether presentation, whether data, UI, UX, software, whatever it is. So what kind of technology, what kind of you know um, quality that I'm giving to my clients. So the most important thing is website is very important for any business nowadays. Okay, so first of all, you may do any kind of business, whether it may run electrical vehicles, selling electrical vehicles, you're a doctor, you're running a hospital, or you are running a school, any kind of business, any kind of service you provide, any kind of product you develop. So we are doing the best website designing, best digital marketing app, motion graphics, business presentation for your company. So website designing is very important. Nowadays your services, your products, anyone can open through mobile, by typing www.yourwebsite.com, whether you any domain that you have, google.com or microsoft.com or apple.com, anyone can open. So easily they can see your services and provide, and they can take a services, right? So that's what website plays very crucial role to bring the best business, good business, to become a best you know industry service provider or product delivery company, right? So we are doing the best website design to grow your business. So right, so we are not just only designing a website, we are designing with the UI and UX. So website designing means just putting, placing your text content or services or products inside the website, putting on small logo or creating some contact. It's not like that way we are not working. We are completely working industry standards, professional, you know professional standards looking websites. So that we are also using this UI and UX, user interface and user experience things. All the designing principles we are using while you're creating your website. We are also doing best logo design. If you have logo, no problem, we'll use that. If still, since if you don't have logo, we are doing logo design. In the part of website designing, we are doing logo designing, clip arts, video editing, motion graphics, okay, Google Analytics, SEO, everything we are doing the part of the website designing only. Okay, so slowly one by one, what kind of quality we are doing, at the what price we are giving, okay, everything I'm going to explain in this video. Right. Introducing myself, my name is Alanki Kishore, or more than 15 plus years of experience in across the India. I work 50 plus corporate companies, 200 plus clients I work, 1000 plus projects I worked, and 5,000 plus students I have given online classroom training to across the India, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, and Chennai, Hyderabad, Vizag, and all. Okay, these are the companies that I have worked. Okay, since 2007. Still many companies and outsourcing and remote work from foreign countries and all. So some companies I have mentioned here. My companies I work. I have developed projects which related to websites, apps, software, film, 3D animation, game design, AR, VR, data, software, and many more, digital marketing, many things I work since 2007. I mean, designing and development and corporate training roles, right? This is about my self. Okay, my experience. These are the institutions like Frameworks and Arena, Mac, Pixels Academy, Bangalore North University, Cavalier Media College, CAD centers, and I've worked for development government applications like TA Wallet, Transaction Analyst, QAD Pro as a training manager, and design some products, also a lot of things. And there are many companies I've worked. This is my some core basic experience. Core details about me. Still, you can see more details about me in my websites, right? So services that entire this video, what kind of services I'm going to give you. Okay, so self introduction is done over. So website design, brand design, it's not just creating a website design, I'm creating a website with the branding. Okay, best branding as per your budget. Okay, so any website, it's but you get good branding also. Okay, and if you don't have logo, I will design the logo. If you have logo, we can use that logo. and icon designing and clip arts, image editing, video editing, and web app graphics if it is web graphics, if it is app graphics, web or app technologies, that what kind of technologies we are using, everything I'm going to explain. App or web UI UX, what kind of UI UX we are going to use, social media integration, how email setup we are going to do it, web configuration, how I'm going to do web configuration, how I develop web mobile PC tab responsive, map locations, forms, everything, some web templates I'm going to show you. Okay, and all the business, any country you may, from any country, any business that you do, I will develop your design, your website, your digital marketing, motion graphics, or business presentation. Okay, right. So design your website, redesign. For example, already you have website, okay, but maybe it may done 2 years or 5 years old. It may not up to the industry standards. This, I have designed many website, redesigned many websites. Instead of new websites, I have more clients from the redesigned websites only, right? So 5 years or 6 years back, old design look and feel. So I designed your website up to the present industry standards. Okay, website technology, that what kind of hosting provide, and SEO, search engine optimization, how we are going to work search engine, what is analytics, how I'm going to develop analytics for you. Okay, product and service presentation. Okay, what any business, either you give some service, either you develop some product and sale, right? So how, what kind of presentation is need, is there any digital marketing is need for this particular service presentation, is there, everything comes part under website designing only. Animation slides, price and duration, how long I take it to develop complete your product, and what is the price. Okay, and connectivity, how you can connect. I will completely work through remotely only. Okay, you can connect through me, either phone calls or video calls or Zoom meeting or Google Meet. Again, we can connect. Okay, maintenance, small website no need maintenance, but medium management systems or some larger websites need maintenance system and all. Training, how I give training, sometimes you have to, we'll develop your website. Okay, so once we develop website, how to open some kind of analytics page, how to open the page, how to see your analytics, I will train through online. Okay, that everything comes under part of the particular price only. Okay, schedule a meeting, I'm going to put some forms and how to put a schedule forms. Other services, I'm going to show you what kind of services I'm going to show. Right. So business model, first of all, you may do any kind of business, education, run education institutes, or medical, mechanical, software, or information technology, travel, finance, NGOs, social communities, aerospace, anything that you do. So you need a nice and beautiful and good looking website, good UX UI website is very important. For my business, website is a 90, not 900% plays very crucial role for my business. So even many of my clients, that website plays very crucial role in their business. So, and website is very important, as well as app. It depends on the business model, what kind of business you have, like how many number of clients, customer size. Based on that, if it is required app, then only we can create the app, otherwise we don't need to create app. So this is the completely service, whatever your business can take the business service from training for the students. So students, if you want to learn from, for few students, they want to earn from the school stage. If you still want to learn website designing and become a good freelancer through online, you can develop website like me. So I will train you through online. So you 7, 8, 9, 10 10 plus, 12 plus, any student, I will teach you through online how to design websites, not like blind institute level. So simply taking a website designs, the way how I am designing a website, the same way you will be able to design, the way how I am designing and deliver the final product to my clients, so they get paid. So the same way I will teach you to my students only through online. If you want any students, so you can call me or mail me, or she will schedule through online meeting. So I'll start teaching to you. Okay, working professionals, some of the clients like doctors, some lawyers, some politicians. Kishore, you just teach me how to create a website, you teach me digital marketing, teach me video editing, I will do myself. So welcome, I will teach you the best. Same like how I teach Students can have more capacity to, you know, coding, to understand the code and all, since they're because they're good at, you know, still they're studying, they're young, so they have capacity to learn coding, and also I can teach them. But few technologies I can teach, but you may not understand. But still you can do yourself website designing without using code. You can do video editing very easily with your laptop. You can do digital marketing any without coding knowledge, and simply steps that I will teach. So some doctors, they learn from me, some engineers also, they learnt from me past. Okay, they are designing their website their own, they are not coming to me. Okay, that is a big drawback. They know, if they don't know website, they always come to show one more website can design. But they are learnt, so they're doing their websites. Okay, very good. Right, so then one of the sample, that branding, that logo I have designed 10 years back. So this is a sample, this is a very basic and ground level sample. So please contact and schedule a meeting, so I can give you the best branding detail, my websites that I have designed, my, you know, some clients. But actually I'm not putting my client names or public domain, or I'm not disclosing my client details to anyone. But few clients I've designed, some of my samples also there, I'll show you through demo. This is one of the sample branding, logo designing and branding and all. So this is one of the sample. So some of the logo design and samples here you can see. These are all my personal companies only. This is the education system. This is my profile logo. This is the HTC Host Corp Technologies, which I'm doing website design to my all clients. This is the FXD, FX Dinosaur. This is the online production work for animation, VFX, DM design, freelancing, and get it. So these are all my logos I have designed for my company. So I will design for best logo to you. So some of the clients, they ask, especially from Andhra and Telangana, I get you know, Vastu logo also, they ask Vastu. So in house we see Vastu, where bedroom, where kitchen should be there, you know, all the things in see in real house Vastu card. Okay, but in logo also some because of I have faced, you know, some clients ask me that you have to create according to the Vastu my logo. So that's, so this is 100% good. The title and logo should be equal at the ground, but a logo must be little bigger than the text, you know, title. So that's a good sign to say, because of that is a good sign in Vastu. In some of the best clients like TV9 is there, so they're done their logo according to the Vastu. Some of the other, so this is also okay. But if you can say how cross that, this logo should be left side, should not be right side. But some people, they believe it, but those who wants, I will do it. If you don't want, I don't. Actually I don't follow all these things, but if anybody asks, especially particularly, I will do these principles for them only, but I don't follow any Vastu and all for especially any other foreign clients, right? So if anyone from Andhra and Telangana, and any from South India or India, I'll do if you ask, right? And icon and design. So icons and design, just not only putting icons, blindly downloading and putting, it's not like I am redesigning or recoloring, reshaping your logo according to your theme. Okay, to bring the best look and feel, whether contact page, home page, some mission and vision, some beautiful icons to be placed there. So I'll create the best industry standards, different unique color I'll create for you. Okay, right? And logo and web work, it's done, right? Okay. And clip art design, if anything is there, contact page, app contact us, okay, anything like, you know, so content writing, any artwork is there, clip artwork is there, so important. So I'll create nice clip arts to your website and place it in a right place, you know. In some of the basic samples, these are all samples I've done it long back. So good works and all, schedule a meeting, I'll give you the best demo, best samples I'll show you, which I have created for my foreign clients. But with few clients I have committed completely. I'm not going to disclose my client details in public domain or private domain or anywhere. Few clients I'm not, but few clients they have given me, you can show our website as a sample while you are presenting your, but don't put in websites in public domain. So I'm not putting, so I'm not going to put any of my clients in my website and not sharing any details, very confidential. So but these are all my samples I've done it. Some of the clip art, some of the artwork. So corporate training, so you can put corporate training here, these images. These are all my designs, and this is the banners, social media banners and all. Image editing, just so instead of putting some CEO or some photo, team members photographs, images, some kind of office environment photographs, you get it. So we can read, some background design, remove background and put it some nice colors and put it. So you can see some of the samples here. 3-4 images we can add together, we can put it some artwork like this. So this kind of designing work, I'm going to design the best, not only putting just blindly, but I I do the best industry standards when compared to your competitors. I do the best website designing or digital marketing or video editing, motion graphics, UI UX, web apps, software, anything. So image editing and video editing also we are doing. So you have to take your videos and images, snapshots and videos from there, your factory or your equipment, your electrical vehicles, or anything that you have to take videos or images through your mobile. You can send to me. Google Drive or any other drives, so I'll edit, I'll add some motion graphics, I'll put it all these things in your website, right. So some of the web graphics that I've so some of my old websites I've done it, so you can see some of the basic samples. So how I put it, the clip art, small clip arts and posters and all these things. So these are basic samples that thing. And typography, what is typography? So typography is not just taking a text, copying and pasting in paragraph heading, copying, pasting headings, just like it's not like that. So your text, you can see how I have designed online live training and and you can see some text alignments, how I put heading way, how I put the paragraph, how I put all the counting, and you can see the image editing, image presentation, that photo presentation, vertical text, horizontal text, these all service price, service heading, under subheading, and some short description and features. So button, so how we put this all comes under typography. You can join team projects, so you can see how I put the join is a big word and team work projects are black and small and like that, so this all comes under typography. So we design, you can see in the best is from education technology. See, from here to here, it is the best looking typography. Still there are levels are there. So typography depends on the website. See, if you are running a music classes and all, that's different kind of website theme and typography and look and feel we use it. If you are running a medical hospital and all, we do different kind of basic professional webs. If you are running IT company standards website design. So it depends on, you are running some kind of food delivery, something like that. It's like that, it's depends on the platform and business. And the most important thing is I study your business. I'll study your business, what kind of business, what kind of technology is required. For example, small hospital, you're just doctor and a small hospital, so basic normal website. So you're running a school management software is important. We need to use different technology, or you're running some. So depends on, first of all I need to study your business and size of your business, how many number of or visitors or customers visit daily or weekly. Based on that I can suggest you technology, whether app is sufficient or app website is sufficient or app also needed. All these things I need to study. That is what consultants. So app UI and UX, website UI and UX, user interface UI, user experience UX. User interface UI means look and feel. What are the colors we are using, what kind of font we are using, what kind of placement using, graphic design, user interface designing principles that we are using, color theme, spacing, following the branding, all this comes under user interface. Okay, and UX, user experience. So while customer, while audience, while visitor opening your website, how they're getting experience, whether they're getting immediately while their products or service details immediately, is there any suggestions where to put, what to put, in what panel to put, important things, all these things, algorithms, all these things we do research for the user experience. Means we need to research based on the client psychology, audience psychology, and experience, and the visual experience, good looking, good feeling like website, color combinations and icons, spacing, designing principles, nice beautiful animations, all these things we will do it. Okay, So user experience, since the lot of subject is there, user experience, when so you're selling on product, so online trimmer, is there any explanatory video is important, we'll create some nice beautiful explanatory video related to your trimmer or your um, machine and how it is functionality. We'll put it, we'll create some nice video editing and nice, we'll add some nice motion graphics, we'll put it, and we'll put it at the front page of the website so people understand. So like that. Excuse me. Social media integration, social media, WhatsApp channels, YouTube channel, LinkedIn, Instagram, all links we are going to give in your web pages somewhere in bottom or top. Okay, right. I'm going to leave some of the samples below the video link and this presentation link. You can see, check it. Email setup. So email setup means generally we use some username, some data at the rate of gmail.com. We use Gmails or Yahoo mails or email. These are all common public mails, but you have dedicated mail ID, you will get it. So you first of all you need to take a domain. I will buy a domain like google.com, microsoft.com. For example, you are selling electrical vehicles, okay, Vizag vehicles, Bangalore vehicles, Los Angeles vehicles, Sydney vehicles, something like that. You can take or Nigeria vehicles, Singapore vehicles, some by a .com, and you can create the best domain and best email ID along with that. But it depends on the service provider. So I suggest my clients for the hosting is the best hosting and domain service provider. So I mostly purchase my domains and service from the hostinger only. It's a good one. So they give their plans, depends on the plans. So some plans, basic plan, you will get one free email ID, one email ID you get it. Some pro level and you will get 5 email IDs and all based on the package. Some clients, I suggest for Namechop is very good, and some service provider like hosting and domain service provider and Big Rock is also good. So I will explain all the service provider, what kind of features they are providing, and what kind of features they are providing is not important. What kind of features are important for your website, based on that we going to take that kind of website, that kind of service provider, what kind of package. It's small websites, or some hotel, some hospital, some school, basic school, not school learning management system, normal school website, that is good enough. But you need some extra tracking and school management software. Students should learn through online, through your website. Students should schedule a meeting, track the student ID by typing their ID. They should track activities. All these things we have to go for some advanced technology, advanced hosting technology, like hosting which one, WordPress and all. And still there are many things. So I study your business. I need proper details, what kind of business, what kind of services, products that you are delivering. Based is any e-commerce, like any e-commerce is online shopping. So all these things we suggest. Web configuration domain. So you need to buy a domain. Some example, Bangalore vehicles.com, that you can transfer the money to me, so I'll buy the domain from here. And hosting space, the hosting space means you need to have a hosting space. You will have a name, so some name like electricalvehicles.com, Vizag electricals, so like Bangalore electricals, you have some name. So you will develop all the website motion graphics and logo designs, all the text. You need to store all these things in some device, right? So that's what hosting space. So hosting, if you have any more details, you need more details, you want any doubts and all, you can schedule a meeting. I'll explain very clearly regarding your website and price details and service providers also. So mobile, this is one of the sample that I have designed, mobile, PC and tab, and large screens also. So you can see if the website is mobile like this, if it is tab, it will be like this. If it is the laptop, it will be like this. If it is large screen, it will be same like laptop, little bigger screen. So arranging this website is not blindly we can put it. It will come just however it wants, but we have to, if there are challenges also there. It's a bit, I'm not telling it's very hard, it's not very easy, but we have to fight with them. The panels, we have to fight with the panels long time. So this arrangements I've done it for one of my website. And maps and QR locations also I'm going to integrate. There is everything which is very important, present business commercial standards. Everything I'm going to insert on your website. Okay, everything I'm going to insert, everything within the committed price only, right. Map or QR scanners and forms creating contact details, and they can fill the debt in their customer user details, any requirements they want to use your service, they want use your buy your product, and all they can type their details, and you can, if once they submit, you will get the complete details to your email ID. If they want buy anything through online, we are also developing that e-commerce site, so they need not to contact you, simply they can add the card, they can buy the product, and they transfer money to online, like they can add the card and card online shopping, they'll do it. So schedule a meeting if it is school, or the school, schedule a meeting. So parent will be somewhere in Bangalore, student will be somewhere in Isaac, Los Angeles somewhere. So a parent wants to talk to principal through online, so parent can schedule a meeting. So I'm so and so, I'm the parent of the so and so student, and I want to meet you, this is the time, online meeting regarding my kid studies, and so they can arrange a meeting to principal, whatever it is. So online meeting, and nowadays in the future completely going to be every meeting going to be online, and there is no, completely, maybe it may take time, but completely online meetings. So schedule a meeting, very nice and beautiful forms we are going to create. We are not just putting default, we are creating very nice and beautiful as per your theme and industry standards, look and feel. Okay, right. Some of the samples that I have done it are long back. These sites I have done it, some AI builder, some WordPress sites. Sometimes I used to use made and the code also if it is important. So I like black colors, so my favorite is black and violet. So I have done long back, this is but I have got good business with this. Still I changed the completely UI UX for this website, but long back, 3 years back I have done it, this website. So but I got good business. So I told you, right, the business website is very important to bring the business, any business. So depends on the business type and size of the business and product and service, what kind of products and service. So good website designer, so I'm the right person, more than 15 plus years of experience, more than 200 plus clients I work. So, and still if you schedule a meeting, I'll show you real time my clients, the what kind of websites that I have designed for them, what kind of standards they have given for them, and very best price I have given for them. So some of the samples, this is the, you can see this is the outsourcing service and remote work, animation, VFX, game designing, content design online. This is the website, FX Dinosaur, and the online products also I used to sell long back. I'm changing the completely different domain. Now I'm not running this one. Long back I've done it, online content selling. So here this is online training. This is also I've changed it, and this is host corp technology. I have changed that color. I have changed completely theme. Okay, so now I'm getting better. That's what redesigning your website is very important. Still, if you have website, even if your website is old or 2 years 4 years back, it is designed, it's not going to be good, right, in the present commercial competition, but it has to be redesigned. So by redesigning my website, I got better clients, right. So I will also redesign your website up to the industry standards. So some other samples, these websites are designed completely raw code. Here I have used some AI builder, some kind of WordPress, some kind of both code and builders, both have used it. And here completely raw code, completely HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap and PHP and MySQL, like something like Python, also Python full stack and main stack also we are using it. So you can see the color, something like carpet look, something a profile kind of, this kind of color look and feel, all these things, branding, right. And redesign, see this is the old, it's a kind of portal, TA wallet, some kind of theme like this. So if old look is there, new look is there, and if it is before and this is after, so that's all. So any website before and after also you can check out. We are not going to charge very huge amount, we are charging very less amount only. You can get complete details, then you can get it. So website is a very important, crucial for present business. And this you can see completely the thing, internal portal, the ATM, it's kind of card system. Okay, work with fintech technologies I work, so that time I have used all the designing things and all. So you can see this is my old website profile designing, this is the new look, same but it's a new look. Not only we are going to design the website theme, we are also inserting different the way presentation of the website, your product or service, present understandable, like easily and eye catching, more UI UX, and also easy load and everything, we are going to take it. So customer is the very important, customer satisfaction is very important, is my goal, right? So design your website with better technology, even if you have a website. I work with all the countries and all the states in India. So you may from any kind of background, you are running an NGO, social media community, corporate, government, finance, travel, information technology, software, and mechanical, medical, educational, or agriculture, manufacturing, or aerospace, gaming, anything, any business, oil and gas, anything, any product, any service you provide. Okay, we are doing the website the best. My job is to design the best website, graphics and apps, software, UI UX, digital marketing, 3D contenting, and more VFX. And I do the best for my clients. So you may from any state in India, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, any state, any city. So I work remotely to your business or your service. And web cost and technologies. So AI builder sector, right? This is the starts from 21,500 starts from. Okay, so I'm going to use some builders and some AI HTML codes, also inserting CSS, where exactly important. I'm using these is the technology, developing with AI technology builders and all. So cost 21,000. If you go to the same website, go other and all, they'll charge something like 40 to 70,000. They'll charge it, but this is the best. Not only website design, I'm designing logo designing, motion graphics, product or presentation, your product or service presentation, and clip arts, everything. What are the Google Analytics, SEO, search engine optimization, and hosting, and creating pages, a lot of things we are going to use. Roughly 25 to 30 jobs, like logo design, web page designing, hosting, and form creating, like that. More than 25 to 30, nearly 30 we are giving it. Okay, but UI UX also very important. That also is not only creating website, the website is creating with UI and user UX. Okay, user interface and user experience, and research. you know the product, that service that you will. I'll also research, is any competitors in your area, who's the best, is any better, how can I present your product or service better than your competitor, and all this research I do it. And I'll do for this. It's just very small websites and all, like school, hospitals, or some food restaurants and all these things, anything. But you want something like develop management system. Student can come and sign up in your website and learn through online, or student or any delivery app through track anything. When they're typing the code, you have to show some status. So from some kind of management system you want me to develop, so it has to be done in WordPress only. So WordPress starts from 38,500, which is more than 1 lakh. Actually my 90,000 above they'll charge it, but I'm doing the best. So right. So, and code, if you don't want any WordPress, any builders, any AI technologies, raw code without using any builders. So HTML, CSS code, main stack, full stack Python we are using it right now. I'm developing an application using full stack Python, main stack also MongoDB, and main stack React.js, and Node.js. Using all these technologies, we are going to develop your website. We don't need that now normally, but it's very highly, it is kind of for, especially we use this one for both app and website to be used the same. That complex level, more advanced level technology for large business models, we use main stack. Still more large business we use like ChatGPT and all that kind of search engines, like something like we use some Python and all. So Python is really good. Python full stack is very demanding. We are also working on Python websites in Python, things like. Okay, other charge. This is the cost, 2,50,000 start, but we charging just 1 lakh. So right. So let's talk and schedule a meeting, and we'll talk about more technology and all, right? Yes, your search engine optimization. So if you type something, you are taking a web, you want to design your hospital website. Best hospital in Bangalore, best school in Bangalore. So your page must be, to strike, trigger to a first page in first line, third line, fourth line, at least first page, right? So for that we use SEO, search engine optimization. For that we need to do a lot of background work. It's not easiest task, but it depends on the what kind of builder, what kind of technology we use. But Hostinger, it's okay, good Hostinger builder, and other builders also fine. But WordPress is not good in SEO. Again, we have to reinstall free plugins. I don't recommend, but paid plugins works okay, but not the best. Okay, but if you want the best SEO, I strongly recommend go to the raw code. It will give you the best result definitely in the first page, first line. First page at least you will get it, fourth line or fifth line your website. There are a lot of things SEO, but we are giving the best SEO. It in the 21,000 we are giving the best SEO, analytics, everything. So any search engine, whether Google or Bing, DuckDuckGo or Yandex, Yahoo, anything, any search engine, when you're searching your webs, any services related to your product, okay, so you it shows in the first page in first line. First two, I'll try my level best. I don't give guarantee, but I'll try my level best based on the what kind of service we are using. WordPress, I don't give guarantee whether you'll get it, but we have to use plugins. That's what depends on the. I need to talk to you first of all. I need to explain which one this is. If you use this kind of coding and all, you will get it first page, at least eighth or seventh, sixth line. Immediately we don't get it, but it'll take time. Okay, but first page also, first line also we can get it, but a lot of hard work, I mean things we have to use, that I need to explain. Then based on your decision I can take the action, right. Analytics. So here analytics, normal websites like school or restaurant or hospital no need analytics, but we are giving. For example, what is analytics? You can see from the backend panel analytics where my website is seen, from which place, how many people have seen last week, today how many people, yesterday how many people, visitors we have seen, which country they have seen, which mobile device they have used, and which browser they have used, what is the screen size and country and cities. You can see this is one of the live data of mine, what countries they have visited, and you can see all the data that I'm putting here, what are the countries they have visited, and product and service. So whatever you're developing, giving services, products, so I'm going to create the best nice video or graphics and putting in your website. So presentation, your product presentation, service presentation in first page, first panel. So visitors audience will understand easily by seeing the video. Okay, right, it will be like 1 minute 50 seconds or 2 minutes of graphic video, or 1 minute of motion graphic video, or 5 minutes of video editing. Like if send me your all video factory or anything, something that you're doing, your factory or your hospital or your interviews, your testimonial of your customers, and send me through all videos through Google Drive or any other drives. So I'll edit here beautiful way, and I will put all the presentations in your everything. Okay, so you can see this is the training, right? So training institutions, like for kids online training, live training, for corporate online training. So how I put it, heading, subheading, okay, paragraphs, and some kind of list type, price details, starts from something like this is the typographic presentation. I put it in the best way. Okay, so animations and slides, so scrolling effects. So you can see, you might have observed some website when you're scrolling, when you're sliding, you can see nice beautiful animation place on when you're scrolling. So it's good for restaurants or some kind of hospital, some kind of food apps, sorry, restaurants, like some kind of school websites and all. But it website gets slow, when you are loading it will be slow. Like most of the clients, they want in the terms of good looking and nice feeling, it's okay, but it does not load faster. You need to take best hostings plan also, speed hosting plan also, then it will work. Depends on the hosting plan. I'll suggest while you're taking, if you want, put me this particular nice animations and all, I'll put it, but I will explain it very clearly before putting. If you, based on your decision, I will put it. Okay, right. So connectivity. So how you can contact? You can call me. You can schedule a meeting through Google or Google Zoom meeting or Teams, Link Central, or you can also call me a video call through mobile. So generally, many of the clients, they'll come to live to when I'm creating a logo design. So hi Kishore, the logo is very beautiful. My daughter told me to change this color. She's good at she likes the blue color. Hey, change this logo. My sister told me that I want the shape like this. uh, so they'll come live and they'll get it their logo done. Especially many clients, they'll some kind of Bangalore, some Vishakhapatnam, some Vijayawada, and some foreign clients also. But they some foreign clients, they don't come to the live mostly. They'll give instructions, Kishore change this color and the text messages, so I'll change that. So still, if you want to come lively, you want to see the how I'm design your logo and all, you can come and join. So in front of you, I will design your logo. You can get it done your logo lively 24/7. Okay, right. With me, this is Alank Kishore. More than 15 plus years of experience. Design websites, software, UI, UX, and more in animation, VFX, game designing, digital marketing, and video graphics, and many more. You can see all the services, right? Right. And training, this is the training students. So students mostly, so from the 7th 8th standards, you want to design a website and go to the market, so welcome. So if you want to learn your 10th or 12th standard or 10th standard, you want to learn good website design or any graphic, any animation, VFX through online, I'll teach you. But this particular all the services whatever I'm presenting, how I'm delivering the website design to the clients, commercial standard, the same way you are able to design your website to the your customer. Okay, the way how I'm getting paid, students also get paid by creating a website. See, some of the students from 8th 7th standards only, they start business, they do some kind of freelancing. And I'm the guy, when I was studying school days, and since 6th and 7th standard, I started my own part-time business, like creating nice arts and selling the arts to other students, other my colleagues, my students. They used to put on their name, credentials. And also I used to do stickering to my teachers bikes and all. I used to get paid like 50 rupees and 100 rupees when I was studying school days. So this is a good part-time for me at that time. So students, this is nowadays a lot of technologies. And students, any students from India and out of country, anywhere, so you want to design a best website design, not just time pass. So the way how I'm designing a website and delivering the final product to my client, same way you will also deliver the website, app, or motion graphics, animation, VFX. I will give you the guarantee. So this is what the price enter to create yourself. You will be able to create not only website, what are the things, video editing, motion graphics, logo designing, digital marketing, what are the things are important, what are the things are needed to create commercial standards website to your client, everything I will teach you. Okay, this is the cost for code and all, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP, anything and all. This is the price I'm charging for the students. Business training, so for doctors, some of the doctors, and they want, like, Kishore, we have to design a lot of websites, why don't you teach me? So I'll design myself. I okay, fine, I teach you. So this is the good drawback for me, like, I don't get paid only just for teaching. I'll get it, but all the websites are generally websites and all, when I'm teaching my doctors and all, they design their websites their cell phone, so I don't get business. Okay, fine, that's great actually. So still you are looking to design your own yourself, your website you want to design yourself, or you want to do your own video editing yourself, or you want to do digital marketing yourself, I'm here to teach you. But code also I'll teach you, but students will understand HTML, CSS, JavaScript. But so as a business professional, as your main line is doctor or lawyer or other business, excuse me, you may not code and all, you may not to the grasping, or may not understand. So but I'll teach, if you want me to, I'll teach. But there is no need to use code to design websites or apps and all. Simply we can use no code website tools are there. We'll teach you the same how I'm designing a website, same way you can design yourself website design. What are the things are involved, like logo design, clip arts, SEO, analytics, and hosting, domain, and any video editing is yourself. You will be able to do it in 3 months. So any websites you can do it as a doctor. You can do it, right? And some other no code task based means, for example, I design a website to my doctor, I design a website to my restaurant owner. So always they don't want to come small changes. I will design complete product, I will hand over to them. But always if they take maintenance, definitely I will do it. Okay, anyway, adding a page, adding some kind of text or something like that, anything if they want me to add, I will maintain the part of maintenance, I will do it. So they don't want, so some Kishore, we don't want, is that possible to create myself and small? Definitely. So whatever the website you want to change yourself. So if anything, some WordPress and all, how to put a text, how to put an ad, how to create your own image, whether use Canva or any Photoshop, any other tools, and how to create an image, how to change a color, image color, how to put it in yourself, how to create small video and put it in your website. Okay, how to add extra panel, put text. I will teach you all these things in 1 month, so you need not to come. If anything is complex, any errors and all, definitely you can reach me, so I'll help you, right? So this is the business level training, right? And services that I'm providing, other service, app design, software, UI UX, and data modeling and data. I will bring the best data to your software company or your um, app or any other AI technology, anything, best data. That is a different website. I have different business model. Infokis.com, Kishore Intelligent System, Kishore Information System, Kishore Integration System. Okay, this is the Infokis. You can see all the links I'll leave in the below videos. I develop DevOps, 3D animation, 3D game design, visual effects, 3D content design, OVR, data science, building designing, motion graphics, and 3D content designing. So a lot of things, and we are doing it. So other services also I'm working for the other companies. So dedicated also, for example, say some politicians or some kind of business people, they ask me, Kishore, is there any person particularly who can come and work here? Those who can design websites, who can design a video, you can design some kind of graphics, any maintain social media or digital mark, who can do one person. So I will suggest my students or my friends, those who can do the best designs, best websites. Okay, those who can do everything in alone. Okay, I'll suggest you best designs for your best designers for your business. So or you want me to maintain through remotely, I will help you for remotely, whatever your websites and all, I will remotely. But or you can find someone who can trust, who can work trustly to your brand, so I can train through online 1 or 2 months, so I can train, so he will work for your business websites and all. But I don't expect, I don't think so, but I don't give guarantee, but he will work as well as experienced person. But you need experienced people, so freshers can't do it. But you need very hard, strong hands-on experience. Then literally they don't, they cannot give the industry commercial standards quality, okay, which can be generated revenue and all. But I'll try my very best to train your person, right? But if you want me to find good person from my students or my colleagues or my friends, I'll find nice person who can work all these things. I'll help you, right? Thank you. This is Alanka Kishore, also many people call me Jay Kishore, and host Corp Technologies. Your product will be developed with trust, transparent, confidential. So highly confidential, that I design, develop whatever content to you, cannot be put in my website in public domain, cannot be disclosed with anyone. Very confidentially I'm maintaining to your details and your name and your brand name, right? Right, see you in meeting. If you need any kind of details or any demos, and talk to me, I'll do the best for your business, and nothing, that's it. See you on meeting, and please forward all details. If any of your friends, students, kids need to learn commercial standards, I have good experience. I give training through online, any country, you may from any country, Singapore, Malaysia, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, or America, Australia, Nigeria, Africa, any country. I'll teach you through remotely, I'll work you through remotely, right? See you on the meeting. Thank you so much.